Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the refresh rate on any HyperOS phone. Now first of all, make sure that your device supports the change refresh rate feature. If your device does not support this feature, you cannot change the refresh rate on your smartphone because it is a hardware requirement. Now if your smartphone supports the change refresh rate feature, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now from here, scroll down and tap on refresh rate. Now if you cannot find the refresh rate feature in the display brightness section, this means that your smartphone does not support the change refresh rate feature. Now if you can find the change refresh rate feature in the display and brightness section, just tap on it. Now from here you can either select default, which will adjust the refresh rate dynamically up to 120 Hz based on your use case to balance the performance and the power consumption. Or you can select custom. Now from here you can set the refresh rate either at 60 Hz or at 120 Hz. And this is how you can change the refresh rate on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.